What I have here is a bottle of Fever Tree ginger beer. I also have a glass with some ice, and we are going to be trying this out right now. Normally you would use something like this as a cocktail mixer, but I'm going to drink it all by itself and try it out. I'm a big fan of ginger ale, big fan of ginger beer, and a big fan of drinking cocktail mixers without the spirits. It says here that it's made with natural flavors, including natural gingers, no artificial sweeteners, non-GMO, project verified, so no GMOs used. Fever Tree is one of the most renowned premium mixer manufacturers in the United States, and it smells fantastic. Really smells good. It does. It does taste really good. It's a little bit on the sweet side, so if you like that, you're definitely going to like this. Also, if you like that ginger bite, it's definitely got that. Really good. Whether you just like ginger beer to drink like me, or whether you like it in a cocktail, you are really going to like this product. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe, that's what helps me the most on YouTube. Leave a comment if you have the time. And whatever else you do, have yourself a good day. Have yourself a good life.